Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the PHP sections in your web application. Let's say you want to create the login page for the user to enter their credentials to enable to log in to the specific page that they want to go in, and you want to know how to check whether the user are logged in or not. So that's how you want to use section in that matter. So you can go to the W3 schools to read through the concept. So I will not go through the definition because it's really straightforward and nothing to be talked about here. So let's go straight to the code so you can understand more about sections. So now we go to the index.php and we're going to create a form to allow user to enter their username and the password. So let's do action. Gonna nothing here, and methods will be post. And inside here I'm gonna create two fields called text name is username, and yeah, placeholder. Enter your username, and the next one is type with password, name, password, placeholder, enter your password. You can use the text type in here, but for the security purpose, it recommends to use password, because when you entering the text into the field here, it's gonna replace the word into the dot, so it highly security, so no one can see the password that you enter. And next up, we need to create the submit button as well. So type submit, name will be I will say login. I want to say btn login and placeholder. No, not placeholder. Sorry. Login. That sounds good. Okay. So if I go back to here and actually tutorial. Okay, so now we have two views. So one is for username and one for password. When we click login, I'm going to check the username and passwords back to the database, and to see if it match, it's going to redirect me to the page that the user want to go. So now we need to go back to the PHP admin, go to tutorial, and create a new table called users. So inside the users table, I want to create three fields. So one is ID, which is the primary keys. Click go, and the next one is username and password. The type will be varchar, obviously. So 50. Let's say 50, and go down here. Click save. And I also need to create some testing user here so I can check. Okay, so I'm gonna say Candy92 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click go. Okay, so now I have one user here as well. So now if we go back to db.php in the previous file that we learned so far,